How's it going, guys? So this is my 94 Silverado. We tried getting it running yesterday, but it may need a new ignition or a new steering column because it's kind of jank. But these new door hinges, I got those in. New door handle, it's kind of loose, but the hinges are kind of let's just say not in the best shape. So as you can see, the door kind of sags and doesn't latch. So I'll just give you a walk around of it. There was a canopy on it right there. I took it off, but it's just dirty. Just needs a good clean. I need to get this thing going first, which is the reason why I bought the ignition, and I'll probably have to order a new steering column first. But the inside, it's kind of messy. I got so much stuff in here. Yeah, the ignition's kind of weird. There was a thing where you had to like push a pin in order to get it started, but we're gonna replace that so that way it's fixed. And then back seat. The interior is pretty clean, actually. I mean, pretty nice for 94. I'll show under the hood too. It's got the 350 5.7 liter. It was a disaster in here earlier. I'm gonna clean her up, get her all nice. This thing's been sitting for about 5 years. I siphoned out the old gas with the pump yesterday and some fresh gas in it. Ended up having to get a new battery. Battery was shot, wouldn't hold a charge, so today we're gonna replace the ignition. Hopefully that'll fix the issue and we'll be able to get this thing running. So if that doesn't do it, we'll have to get a new steering column, and then I'll have to replace that too. So I'll get back to you guys. She is not running. Chin put fresh fuel in it. Got a brake booster leaking, but everything's running. It's running good. Put new battery in yesterday. Changed the ignition. Okay, so we got her running. Replaced the ignition. That's all it was. And then we also placed all the door pins. Did the driver's side door pins. Now next thing I'm gonna do is go and give this thing a good wash and detail, because it's been sitting for like 5 years. Nice thing is though, yesterday when I put fresh gas in it, and then today as soon as I went to start it up, fired right up after putting the new ignition in. So Chevy, they're troopers. We're gonna this next weekend I'm going to clean her up, get her looking all nice again, because she's filthy. And then I'll order a new door latch assembly, so that way I can have the door shut and flush like this, because the driver's side is not like that. It's like it shuts, just there's like a gap. So we're gonna get that fixed. Replace the handle. Last week we replaced the door pins, new battery, and got the pickup running. This week we're gonna replace the door latches. It's a little mangled. It's not in the best shape. So we went and ordered new ones. As you can see, I already started. So we're gonna take the door panel off and get her going. So Alright, so I got the new door latch in. Now I just got to go back and connect all the rods and get everything interior wise put back together. Hook up our electrical. Throw these two rods in here back on so that way we can reassemble everything. Alright, so we got the door latch fixed. Oh shit, that was a puddle. She's shut. Kind of got to still slam it though. But anyways, it stays shut now. Made it to the wash. We're gonna get her all cleaned up and then get her back to the house. And we're gonna give her a detail. Like you can tell, like this thing's been sitting forever. There was a canopy on it, and so that's why it's so filthy back there. But I fixed the door handle. The bolt in the back on this side fell out, so it was just sagging. So I threw that back in and ended up inside the door. But we're gonna get her cleaned up, and I'll catch you guys after. Okay, guys. So we got it washed. Doesn't really look like it because it's been sit forever. Finished up the door. It's nice and flush now. And then I took the KG1s, put the KG1s on the GMC, and so that way I could get the black ones on the Chevy because those stock wheels are not doing it for me. So looks way better. And then Saturday we will going to be tinting it. He's gonna come to town and we're gonna throw some tint on it. These are about to be the two baddest duos. It's about to be the most baddest duo. It's gonna be sweet. Yeah, it's paint's all like faded and stuff. But it looks great with these 33s, and I don't even rub, which is amazing. I thought I was gonna rub, but it's even with the fenders. Wheels kind of turned, so I got I got an all chrome grill and it's a chrome housing with clear lenses, headlights, all chrome front bumper that doesn't have this and the trim pieces and whatnot. So those would be sweet. I got chrome marker lights coming. Chrome housing tail lights with clear lenses, a chrome third brake light. I got some new mirrors. It's more kind of the rectangular shaped ones that aren't just this little bar. And then got a roll pan rear bumper coming. It's gonna be sweet. Got some bright LED headlights for it. And the wrap is on its way too. So once we get all that done, next thing I hope to do with it is lift kit. Like this. This one has a 6-inch fab tank with the Fox 2.0 or 2.5 series shocks. I also changed the lug nuts to the black ones and put the chrome ones on there. So I had to go get a new set, but other than that, that's pretty much it. I just love the look of it. It looks sick. Anyways, I can't wait to get this thing tinted and show you guys what it looks like with that. It's gonna be sweet. I gotta get this old tint off. It's kind of starting to like bubble and stuff. You can see it better right here, but I'll have to scrape all that off so that way when we go to put new tint on, it's not as much of a hassle. So it'll be sweet. I didn't really get time to detail it much today. I spent like 2 hours swapping wheels and taking spacers off and lug nuts and whatnot. So, and it's about to get dark. So, I think that's pretty much it. That's all I'm gonna do for tonight. Alright, so got the old tint off. Windows are all nice and clean. Doesn't look hazy anymore, which is nice. And it was also bubbling around, like in the back. It was like really bad, like right in here. But got all that off. Detailed the interior trim pieces. Needs to be vacuumed again, but swept the bed out. It's got a sheet of plywood back there that I need to take out and get underneath that too, but it's looking better. Tomorrow we're gonna tint the windows and see how that looks. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's Saturday. It's tint day. We're going 5%. I'm waiting for Buddy Parker so that way we can head down to my grandpa's garage, do it in his garage so that way it's not outside. And it's supposed to be windy and it might rain today, so we're gonna head down there, hope that we can get her done. This is gonna be the Walmart special. We got 4 boxes. It's 5%. My buddy Parker got the installation kit because Walmart down here didn't have any. So we're gonna wait for him and then we're gonna head down there and throw some tint on. Alright, so we got the side, working on the back window. Dude, this is... We took the back glasses out, make it easier. But it's kind of a pain. Parker is back there losing his mind. we have to trim around this little latch. This is what holds the window shut. It's kind of a pain, but we're getting there. It's not perfect. It's your Walmart job, but it's bubbling right there. But it's all right. It looks better. It looks good from afar, so that's all that matters. So got the tint on. It's not bad for a Walmart tint job. I mean, the worst part is right here on both sides. There's a bracket that clips that holds the back window shut. It's kind of hard to kind of get it off, so we just kind of cut around it and made it work. Back window looks pretty good. It's not bad for a Walmart tint job. Looks good from afar, I guess. But yeah, not too bad. But other than that, it's gonna conclude today's video. Never again will I do tint. It was a pain in my arse. But it looked good. 5%. Other than that, that'll be the end of today's video, and I'll catch you guys next video.